Right, sorry, the message said, hey, we are secret watchers of your YouTube. I was wondering, do you want a Ninja Crispi Pro? No need to review or use on YouTube anything, just thought you might like one. Might like one. How nice. Now this person I do know of from other Facebook groups, but I don't know them at all. Anyway, what did I reply? Oh my God, his name. I'd love one. I've got the original, but you probably know that. And then it was cool. I'll get it off to you tomorrow. Should arrive Monday or Tuesday. Well, today is Tuesday. We've just got back from taking young Oliver to the hospital, and it's here, and it's big. And I thought, let's do an unboxing, and that way I have thanked the person. I get to thank the person in person. So thank you very much. And let's get this opened. And what do they say about it? Okay. The Ninja Crispi Pro extra large glass air fryer. The extra large glass air fryer designed for non-toxic prepping, cooking and storing. So you've got nothing non-stick, Teflon. People are worried about that. So this is a glass cooking vessel, just like the Ninja Crispi. So that's its selling point. 5.7 litres, feeds up to 6 people, and it includes that container and a 2.3 litre container. And another message I got after the conversation, would I like it, was the bowls from the original Ninja Crispi can be used in this as well, so that's good. So we get the 2050 watt Crispi iPro extra large glass air fryer, 5.7 litre clean crisp glassware, 2.3 litre clean crisp glassware, removable modular base, that's just so it goes up when you're using the small air fryer, the smaller glass container, 2 crisper plates, 2 storage lids. And that is the good thing about the Crispi, and I said it when I opened my original, you get lids so that if you make something you're not actually going to have it that night, once it's cooled, pop it in the fridge, boom, ready to go the next day. Okay, and a chef inspired recipe book. Now Ninja do package really well. Okay, so we've got our little booklet, how to booklet, and actually I got some chicken wings out, so they will be our first. Oh, it's all heavy. This is the modular plate. I'm sure, I'm saying it is, it feels like it should be, and indeed it is. And that's telling me how to set up the modular base. These are the crisper plates, and they are identical. So crisper plates. Now with the original Crispi, because the small bowl is so much smaller, you get a tiny little crisper plate, but these are both the same size. So it's going to be the depth of the glass cooking vessel that is smaller, not anything else. Right. Now you know if Steve was here, this would all be being thrown around. Ow, gosh, that cardboard was quite sharp. Right, I mean, look at the thickness of that cardboard. Nothing should get broken being sent out in that, should it? Right, let's start. Oh God, where do we start? We'll start here. And this is the large glass bowl, the, what was it, 5.7 litre glass bowl. And oh my gosh, yeah, it's big. Look. No issues getting a whole chicken in that, is there? None whatsoever. Sorry, I have to have another drink. Oh. Right. And it's all sort of slotted in on its side. And because I'm short ARS for me to get it out. So I'm going to move it. That was easier when I wasn't trying to go like that, when I could just drop in. And you know, this box is still heavy because of all the packaging. So fantastic packaging from Ninja. Right, so we've seen the large glass bowl, and here is the smaller one. Now you're not going to get a whole chicken in, well you are, but it will probably touch the fan. So, but perfect for veggies, chops, steaks, you name it, you can cook it in there, except a whole chicken. Right, and this, let's move you down, is what it looks like as, oh my gosh, the Ninja Crispi Pro. Oh my gosh, it's like a spaceship. I mean, look at that packaging, it's amazing. So let's undo here to get rid of that cardboard. There you go. Even that's not just a single piece of cardboard, look, corrugated and nearly an inch thick. So they really have done well with the packaging. And one of the biggest differences between the Ninja Crispi and the Ninja Crispi Pro is when it comes to air fry. On the Ninja Crispi, it air fries at 180 degrees. That's it. You cannot change the temperature. You can change the time, but you cannot change the temperature. With the Pro, you can change both. So, hello. Right. Mode. Can't even see. I've got to add, it won't work unless I add my dish. And I'm not cooking, obviously. We'll do that later. And that's well stuck on. I don't mean stuck, because it does come off quite easily. But the packaging, honest to goodness, is second to none. Right. So you have to slide it in. Right. And that's given me 10 minutes on air fry. But I want to adjust the temperature on air fry. 200, 190, 180. So I can change the temperature, and that is excellent. And just like the Crispi, it automatically resorts to a 10-minute air fry. You can obviously increase, and I did cut my finger, look, decrease the time. So on first looks, let's put them together. Right, this is the Ninja Crispi. Footprint isn't too much bigger, but it looks so much bigger. I like using the Crispi. It's dead easy. I love the cleanup. All I do is I take the lid off, and I can wash the glass bowls in the sink or in a dishwasher, and I give the lid a good wash. Now, when it comes to washing the Pro, to wash it, I need to, what's to do with that? I need to obviously wash it, these as normal, take these out and wash as normal. The only thing, if you want something not quite so good, is these are constantly attached. You can't take these off. So when you do wash up, you will get soap suds under there, so just under your tap, rinse down so that they all go, and get a piece of cloth in there to dry. But to clean the top of this, you'd have to pop it on its side, on its back, and give it a good clean there. But on first looks, I am going to love this. Thank you so much for sending it. I really, really do appreciate it, and you'll see us using it very soon. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down